Hello YouTube, HRI Utilities here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Dell XPS 8500. This is a mid-range model, and I'm going to run through the specs before we unbox it. So this has a Core i5 quad-core processor clocking at 3.3 GHz, 8 GB of RAM, a 2 TB hard drive, yes you heard me right, 2 TB of storage, and Windows 8. A NVIDIA GeForce GT 640 graphics card with 1 GB of dedicated DDR5 memory. So, as always, we got my mini Swiss Army knife ready to unbox this box. So, let me just quickly tell you about the price I got it for. So, I got it straight from Dell. The real retail price of this is $580, but with the voucher code, I'll put that code in the description, I got it for $520. So yeah, okay, so we're lifting the flaps up, and you can see a large box. Great. Lots of useless crap in there, I'm guessing. Okay, so let's just lift this box out. It's not exactly heavy, but there's a lot of vital components that you'll need to run this machine. So slitting it open for the first time, we can... Whoa, we can't see yet, but we'll see in a minute. Okay, so when we lifting the first flap up, we can see the keyboard box. We'll get to that in a minute, but let's lift the other flap up. And we can see a whole array of useless things. We see a mouse, a 6-button mouse with a USB 2.0 connection. Manual, chuck that away. So much plastic on these things. Let's just quickly crap the plastic off. Okay, so we nearly got the mouse out. So much plastic. And even more plastic. Nice. So, as you can see, a USB 2.0 connection. Next thing in the box is the keyboard. Now, this is a Windows 8 optimized keyboard, as you'll see later. So, let's just open the box up. And a pretty nice keyboard. Very lightweight. Very, very lightweight. It's got a number pad. So, yeah. It also got the Windows 8 logo, as it's optimized for Windows 8. And we got a load of hotkeys for the computer. So, yeah. Again, a USB 2.0 connection. So, chuck the box aside. We've got a UK 3-pin 2-meter power adapter. So yeah, next thing we got quick start guide. Let's chuck that over there. And we've got a safety and regulatory guide along with a drivers and utilities disk, which doesn't help you reinstall Windows 8. Great. As I said, a safety and regulatory information guide. Chuck that away. And we've got a VGA to DVI adapter. It's nice to see that Dell provide these things, because Apple would usually cheat you. I'm not a hater on Apple, I'm an Apple fanboy. Don't get me wrong. Okay. So, yes. As you can see, a VGA to DVI adapter. Okay. So, taking the box out, we can see the Dell XPS in white. Great. I'm not a fan of white. Okay, so let me just take this off the stand to show you how big this machine is. It's not big. You can see the XPS logo embossed on the side. So yeah, it's not a big machine. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to lift it out anyway. Okay, right. Now I'm going to kick the box out of the way. And we've got the XPS out. Okay, so let's take this polystyrene or whatever off. Yep. Okay, and let's take the other bit off. and then I drop it. Great, nice going. Okay, so as you can see, the XPS 8500, pretty sleek machine it is. So let's just check out the top. So we got two USB 2.0 ports. We have a line in and line out, and on the front we have USB 3.0 ports. So yeah, at the back we've got our power slot, gigabit Ethernet, 4 USB 2.0 ports, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. We've got the Windows 8 logo, and we've got the audio connections, and we got our video card with a DVI output, HDMI output, and DVI mini output. So let's turn this machine on. So let's power it up. Okay, it started up, and we see the Dell logo. Woohoo! Okay, now you can see it's Windows 8 by that spinning logo there, and it's lagging, as you can see. The reason why it's lagging is because it's this first boot, so that's probably the main reason why. That was a very, very fast boot, I can tell you that. So we're just waiting for the setup to initialize. Hopefully it will come up, and you can see it's loading even more junk. Great. Now, since this is a OEM Windows 8 from Dell, it's gonna have a lot of stuff on it, but not more than, I say, 2 gigs. And now we're at the setup screen. So I'm gonna click United Kingdom, English United Kingdom, and United Kingdom Extended. Extended because I'm just used to that keyboard style. So let's just scroll and get to United Kingdom Extended. Yes, next. Say agreements. Not going to read any of that. So yeah, let's click next. We have to put our email address in. I'm going to put it in and come back. Done. Let's set the actual machine up now. So let's just click next, and we need to put our email address in. So I'll be back once this is done. So now we have to personalize our PC. So I'm just going to leave it default, and I'm going to type in, I don't know, let's put, let's put family PC in, because it's not just my PC. So, do we have to connect to wireless? I'll do it later. Okay, fine, let's just do it. So typing my password in. I have BT Infinity 40 megabytes download, so there's no need for it to be wireless. It's faster doing Ethernet. So just going through setup. You don't want to be tracked or anything. I'm just gonna take out some useless things, because I don't want anything to be messed up. So let's just keep some on, and let's take some off. So I don't want to send any location data, because they'll know where I live. Pedophiles. Okay, don't want to let them, actually, yeah. Okay, so we have to sign in with our email again. So now that I've done that, it's setting up. So, it's basically teaching you how to use Windows 8. Now, it is so much different from the conventional Windows 7, because this is optimized for touchscreens. So it's just telling you, if you go into the corner, swipe down, you can navigate through different menus. Yeah. So once that's done, it's going to be asking us to install our apps, and they're setting the PC up. So yeah, just getting the PC ready, and yeah, take a few minutes apparently. Okay, let's start. That didn't take long. So we are greeted with our Metro UI. And I cannot stress how much people hate this. I'm okay with it. I like it. I like some elements of it, some elements I hate. So I'm just going to quickly switch to Camtasia and I'll be right back. So catch you in a minute. Cool guys, bye. Okay guys, we're back and you can see the new Metro UI. It's great. I can tell you that. I love it. But loads of people hate it. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go through some of the features of this computer, and as you can see, I've started to personalize it because this is 3 days later, of course. So let's go into my desktop. Nothing much there except the mountain lion wallpaper because I am an Apple fanboy. So yeah. So let's check out the system specs. So let's go into settings and PC info. So this is a Windows 8 PC. Yep. A Dell OEM Windows 8 PC. It has a Core i5 3.1 GHz, but the max that you can use is 3.3. It has an 8 gigs of RAM and a 64-bit operating system with processor. So let's go into Device Manager, and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, processor, quad core. Those are the main ones. There's nothing much to go through in there. Let's just close out that. And let's go to personalization. So as you can see, I don't know why I've named it it's a bit weird, but Dell, I can easily revert to that. I don't like that wallpaper, so I'm gonna go back to my own one. So yeah, I've got Office 2013 installed, and all of this good stuff just makes it a very powerful machine. So let me just go into my computer. So as you can see, I have partitioned it. I didn't want to originally do that, but my uncle talked me through on why I should do that, so I've done it. So my music's in there, my name and my dad's name. Nothing in here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Maybe merge it back with the local disk or music, but I don't want to do that. I have things connected right now, so yeah. So that's it basically. So now I'm just gonna go through the Metro UI apps. So let's start with Internet Explorer, and this is very hard to use. There's no home button, and there's no way of configuring a home button. So yeah, sports. This is one of my favorite apps, but we have to let it load because this is the first time that I'm running it. So as you can see, all of this stuff, all the fixtures, and I support Man United. Yeah. Don't dislike this video if you don't support Man United, please. So as you can see, all the odds, times, fixtures, everything, leading players. You can also check out some of the specs here. Not specs, but what am I saying? Some of the actual results and all that. So Man United at the top, yes. Getting so all these clean sheets and info that you can see. So yeah. Next is weather. Not weather, news. And pretty sad news, at least. But this is happy. Sort of, for kids, not for adults. Snow. Woohoo. So yeah, going through all of this. Let's close that. Now let's play a game. Now this may lag, because I'm recording on it. So yeah. Let me just quickly turn the music off. Oops. Okay, so let's check. So, because I don't have a touchscreen monitor, I've used my mouse. So, it's lagging, but that's only because Camtasia is running. So, yeah. So, generally, it's a pretty nice experience. And I love the Dell computer right now. So now I'm gonna kill myself. Kill! Thank you. Okay, so just catching. Right, close. So yeah, this has been my unboxing and slightly demented review of Windows 8 and the Dell XPS 8500. Thank you for watching, guys. So catch you later. Bye.